Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever. I know. But I'm here to give you guys a soft matte glam look. I did it a few days ago. I'm gonna insert a video for you guys to see how pretty I looked. I'm gonna recreate this look for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a voiceover because I sound sick. I am sick and I don't want to put y'all through that. And also my heater is going in the back. So we're not going to do that. We're not. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm about to take some hairspray on my spoolie and brush my brows into the direction that I want it to be so I can fill them in later. Now I'm about to start cleaning up my brows with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, so I don't have to do it later. Now that my eyes are primed with the Wet n Wild concealer that I typically use, I'm about to go with my Milani Most Loved Matte palette, and it's really bomb, you guys. I got it for $4 at Walgreens. So now I'm taking the transition shades in there and just going into my crease, building up some color, building up some depth. So the eye look is basically done. I'm about to go and do it on the other eye off camera and come back putting on some mascara. And honestly, you don't have to apply false lashes after mascara, but I am because I look like a bird without lashes. So this is so random, but like I'm sitting here like looking at my video and my lips look huge. I don't know what's going on. Okay, my lashes are on, y'all. I put on my OG like lash glue. It was giving me all the problems in the world. So one of my lashes is gonna look a little wonky. But right now I'm putting on like a Freeman gel mask for hydration. I love it. This was like kind of filmed in the middle of the night, so I really wasn't going to put on my primers and everything. But this is something I do put on when I put on my foundation because I have dry skin. I'm about to go on with this Wet n Wild foundation stick. You guys, I love it. It's like only $5. Got it from Ulta, and it's dang near like my perfect match. I'm gonna go in with that, and then I'm gonna top it off with the Charlotte Tilbury foundation as well. You guys, I've been changed. I am a cream contour fan now. Right now I'm going with a Black Radiance foundation stick and going around my perimeter. It's not as dark as it can be, but it gives me a nice bronze effect, adds some warmth back into my face, which is all I ask for in my makeup, and nothing too drastic or anything too defined. So yeah. Oh, you guys, y'all about to catch me fighting my demons. I don't know how people do their makeup with earrings in their ears. Like, my ears have been pierced since I was a little girl, and that just annoyed me so much. So I had to take my earring off for most of this tutorial. And you'll see. I'll put it back in later, though. Now that my contour is blended out, I'm about to go in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Suede. I love this concealer color. It's a beautiful shade, and it's not really brightening, but it's just perfect. It gets what I need, and I'm going to go over with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair, which is the opposite spectrum, just for the brightening effect. Alright, so I'm about to set all the places I just highlighted with my concealer with my Anastasia Beverly Hills baking powder in the shade Banana. So now I'm about to take my CoverGirl Full Spectrum powder and just dust it all over my face and a little bit in the places that I just put the banana powder at. Okay, so now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics blush brush and go in with my Ruby Kisses contour palette and just take the last few dark shades and bronze on my face. If you guys remember, I told you I'm not really much of an actual contour person. I'm more of like just a bronze warmth type of chick. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to go in with that $2 palette, if y'all remember, and add some more warmth. Y'all, that's that smile when you know you look good. And look, I'm finally putting back that earring in my ear because I realized I looked really dumb without it. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place blush palette, the second volume. And you guys, I got it for Christmas from my best friend. It's really pretty. The color payoff is gorgeous. So now I'm about to go back into that $2 palette and I'm going to just take a little bit of the highlight, not highlighting too much, just a little bit because this is like a matte soft glam, but just, you know, you get the vibe. I hope you do. So I'm about to finish the rest of my eye off camera, but you guys, I had to do a close-up for you because my skin was looking like butter. Oh my goodness. And now I'm about to fill in my lips using this Ulta brown eyeliner and an Ulta liquid lipstick topped off with a Maybelline lip gloss and my Fenty Gloss Bomb. In real life, I probably would have not even filled in my brows, but just for the video's purposes, I will act like I'm really doing something. I'm about to take my Old Faithful Maybelline single shadow. It's the brown one. I had it so long that I don't have the name on there. And take an angled brush and just add some shadows into my brows. Okay, that's the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave me some suggestions or some looks that you want to see next time.